6 men known as the Tinny terrorists have fronted court to challenge accusations they tried to travel overseas by boat to fight for Islamic State. The group laughed and joked with supporters in the courtroom despite facing serious charges.
Exactly 1 year ago, the group dubbed the Tinny terrorists was arrested in North Queensland. An alleged plan to flee Australia by boat and join Islamic State was foiled by counter-terrorism police after a lengthy undercover investigation. 6 men were today flanked by prison officers as they appeared in court for a committal hearing that will determine whether they stand trial on terror-related charges. A witness told the court he saw an Islamic State-inspired gathering in Melbourne 10 months before the accused men were picked up. Jonathan Hewitt said he was jogging in a Flemington park when he saw Muslim men yelling out anti-Western slogans and carrying an Islamic State flag. A woman also testified that in February last year she was contacted by Murat Kaya, seen here years earlier in his wedding video. The court heard Kaya answered a Gumtree ad to buy her boat, but federal police stepped in and took over the negotiations. During a break in the proceedings, the 6 accused terrorists stood together in the dock, laughing and high-fiving one another. They spoke and blew kisses to family members who took photos of them. A prison officer also took the stand and described how he saw inmates laughing as they watched a TV news report about the Nice terror attack. The hearing continues. Tegan Dolling, 7 News.
Supporters could be heard laughing as witnesses gave evidence against the accused Tinny terrorists in court today. Kari-Anne Greenbank was there, and Kari, good evening. The accused appeared reasonably relaxed during that hearing.
Well, they were quite relaxed, Tony. During the breaks in court, they were hugging, they were chatting, they were smiling as they sat in the dock. And their supporters could be heard laughing as some of the witnesses gave evidence. In particular, one man, he's a small business owner. He told the court that 2 years ago he was jogging near Flemington Racecourse when he saw a group of men and women he said were dressed in Islamic robes. He said he heard them chanting Quranic verses, which he described as being against Westerners. He has also told police they were holding 2 black and white ISIS flags, but he said he was too far away to be able to identify any of the members of that group. Now, also in court, we heard the accused Tinny terrorists bought their boat off Gumtree in Bendigo for $14,500. Their original plan had been to buy a bigger boat in Darwin, but that sale had fallen through. Now, 5 of the 6 accused are then alleged to have towed their boat from Victoria to far north Queensland with the intention of reaching Indonesia, then the Philippines, to join the terrorist group. Now, it is still early stages in this committal hearing, Tony. It will be continuing for the next 4 days.